Hi everyone! In just 5 minutes, you'll crochet a heart that melts everyone's heart. Spoiler alert, there is a serious problem with this pattern because once you start, you just can't stop at one. They take shape so quickly and look so cute, you would want to try every color you have. So let's get obsessed with these little hearts. So all you need is some yarn. You can either take cotton yarn or acrylic yarn. It is up to you. You can see this one here is made using cotton yarn and this one is acrylic yarn. You can see the difference in the texture. So it is up to you. You can use either cotton yarn or acrylic yarn. With that, I'm taking 2.5mm crochet hook, 2 stitch markers, a big eye needle and some fiber fill. And don't forget to keep a scissor handy. We will start by making a magic ring. To make a magic ring, hold your yarn like this. Wrap the yarn around your 2 fingers and hold it with this finger. Now you can see a nice X shape formed here. Insert your hook under this yarn. Slowly pull the other yarn to this side and hold it like this. Now take this working yarn slowly through this loop and this creates a magic circle. After making a magic circle, we will make 6 single crochet inside this magic circle. To make a single crochet, insert your hook inside this ring. Use yarn under technique. Keep the hook above the yarn. So yarn is under. Pull up a loop and make your first single crochets. Second one, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. After making 6 single crochet, pull the tail of the magic ring to bring the loop closer. And then you can see this is the very first single crochet we made. On top, you can see this chain. Insert your hook inside that chain and pull up a loop and make your single crochet. So this is the first stitch of row 2. We will mark the very first stitch of row 2. For row 2, we will make increases in every stitch. In the sense, we will make 2 single crochet in every stitch. So I just made one. Now into the same chain, we will make second single crochet. Again into the next stitch, insert your hook. Make 2 single crochet in the same chain. Make the second one. Again into the next chain. Third one. Into the next chain. Fourth. Into the next chain, make 2 single crochet. Into the next chain, make your last increase. So by the end of row 2, you will be having total 12 stitches. So now remove the stitch marker. For row 3, insert the hook in the same gap and make your first single crochet and mark the very first chain. Here we will make 1 single crochet in every chain gap. So I just made the very first single crochet. Now into the next chain, make a single crochet. Into the next chain, single crochet. Into the next chain, single crochet. So make 1 single crochet in every chain gap and I'll meet you at the end of this row. After making 1 single crochet in every stitch, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the yarn. So similarly make one more. I followed the same steps and made one more, and now we will attach these two together. So in this first one, this is the last stitch. You can see this is the last stitch and this would have been the first stitch of next row. So remove your stitch marker. We will insert our hook in the same chain gap where we just removed our stitch marker, yarn over and make your first single crochet. After making the first single crochet, mark that stitch. So this is the first stitch of row 4. After making the first single crochet, make 8 more single crochet. So 9 single crochet in total, including this. So this is the first single crochet. Now into the next chain, second one, into the next chain, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth. After making 9 single crochet, after that we are left with 3 more stitches. We will skip these last 3 stitches in this one, and we will also skip the 3 chains in this one also. So this is where we marked. So first one, second one, third one. Into the fourth stitch here, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop and make your single crochet. So after making this single crochet, we will make 8 more single crochet on this one now. So I made the first single crochet, into the next chain, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and into the last chain here we will make the 9th single crochet. So you can see we started from here and made 9 single crochets, and then we skipped 3 stitches on this and 3 stitches in this one, and then made 9 single crochet. This completes row 4. Before starting row 5, we will sew these two together. This is the tail of the magic ring of this one, and this is the tail of the magic ring of this one. In the middle, we left a lengthy tail in the first one. Take that tail, insert it in a big eye needle. We will sew it here first. We don't want any gaps, and after that insert your hook in these 2 chains and these 2 chains and sew them. So after sewing, we will make 2 or 3 knots. And you can stuff these tails here. To start row 5, this is the first stitch. Remove your stitch marker and make your first single crochet there, and again mark the stitch. For row 5, we will make 3 single crochet first. 1, 2, and into the next chain, third one. After making 3 single crochets, we will make a decrease. So I am making invisible decrease here. If that is difficult for you, you can go ahead and make regular decrease. After making a decrease, in the next 8 stitches, we will make 1 single crochet each. So insert your hook, yarn over, make your first single crochet, second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. After making 8 single crochets, we will make a decrease now. After making a decrease, we are now left with 3 more stitches. There we will make 1 single crochet each. and into the last chain the third single crochet, and this completes row 5. For row 6, remove your stitch marker into the same chain gap, make a single crochet, mark your stitch. For row 6, we will make 2 single crochet, 1 decrease. Again make 2 single crochet, and make 1 decrease. So we will make 2 single crochet, 1 decrease 4 times. So I made 2 times. Make 2 more times, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm at the end of row 6. I made last 2 single crochet and last decrease here. Now for row 7, remove the stitch marker. For row 7, we will make 6 decreases in total. So insert your hook in the front loop of the first stitch, again into the second stitch, make a decrease, mark that stitch, and then into the next 2 stitches, make a decrease. So repeat the same. So make decreases and I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm at the end of row 7. I made 6 decreases, and now remove your stitch marker, leave some length of yarn and cut the excess yarn. We will now make the, after stuffing, insert your yarn in a bigger needle, and now insert your needle only in the front loops. So after that, just pull the chain, and this completes the mini heart. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.